Hi, welcome to TruFit. I'm Coach John, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get started on our TruFit online app. Now remember, we are in the development stage. We're getting this app dialed in and trying to make it the best it can be. But given the circumstances of the times, we decided we didn't want to wait any longer, and we wanted to bring access to you and bring this information to you as soon as possible. So let's get right into it. So to get signed up, first you want to go to app.gettrufit.com. You're going to come up to a home page here that gives you a little more information, and you can watch a video there talking more about the program. Here you can see we have about 150 baseline exercises with 1,500 modifications, and you got instruction, how to make equipment and everything. So let's just dive right in and let's get that access. So here I'm going to click on for early access, and I'm going to make up a profile, and we're just going to call it Coach John. So I'm going to be Coach John on the profile here, and username Coach John already exists. So let's go with Coach John 1, and let's let it have my email here so I can get good information when I have something to share with my athletes or when the program has something to share. So here we're going to create a password and come up with something that you know is easy to remember. This one says it's unbreakable. Now this is important. If you have a coupon, you might want to go in here and punch in your coupon code. And so remember, I'm going to punch my coupon code in here, and then I'm going to select the coach. Now right now I'm the coach who's in the program, but we're going to be having coaches joining up, signing up, and adding their contributions. So you're going to be able to join a coach's team. Maybe you have a family member or a friend who would want to be a coach, and they can sign up and become a coach of your team. So here I got a forever free with my coupon code, and I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and sign up here, and we're going to get signed up, and that's going to give me all the access to all of the videos, and it's going to allow me to keep track of what I've done, keep track of if I've liked it, and all that great stuff. So here we go. It looks like my subscription's been set up successfully. That is great. And the first thing I want to get into is I'm going to go over here maybe and set up a profile picture. It looks like it already has one in there of me, and isn't that great? Profile image here, and let's see, it looks like it's already got me set up. Oh yeah, look at that. How nice of that. Okay, so I'm going to come on over here, and what I think first is let's check out this TruFit exercise guide. This is where we can find out about equipment, and like it says here, all the equipment you need for TruFit exercises. Now, a lot of this equipment can be made at home. It can be a DIY project. You can do it maybe with your friends, but some of the equipment you might want to go out and buy, and we tell you where you can find some of this stuff affordably. You know, some of the equipment, again, you're going to want to purchase, but there's no reason to spend a lot of money buying things like hurdles and hula hoops and balloons and stuff like that. So again, there's a lot of ways to use equipment that again is very affordable, and some of this stuff you might even have lying around, but we're going to show you some unique ways to use some different things. And then we're going to keep adding to this program. So every month or so, we're going to be having new equipment, new ways how to use it, and you're going to get to really see a lot of great stuff. Now you can see here we have a bottom menu bar. There's also a top menu bar, but if I click on the workouts right here, this is going to bring me up to the workout section. So let's say I have a little bit of equipment here. Maybe I have some ropes and weights. Maybe I don't have any equipment and I just want to try out one of these great workout challenges. Now these videos are exercises that we did during our live workouts that people just enjoyed so much that we went back and shot some videos just for the website so that you can practice these on your own, or you can share these with a friend. You can challenge your friend to try out these workouts. And again, right here under the workouts tab is where we're going to find lots and lots of workouts, lots and lots of things that you can try out with Coach John. Again, you can click to learn more about the workout. It will bring up the information. And also here, it will show you some of the exercises that you're going to be maybe incorporating into these workouts. So here it shows us a squat, windmill, body circles, and the 4-point ground touch. Now, if we wanted to learn more about these exercises, we can click on these here, or we can watch the video here and then click to complete the workout. That way it logs it in that we completed the laser beam challenge, and we can give it some information about that. So the other thing that we want to look at, and really the great thing about this program, is our exercise library. So this is probably what you really wanted to get involved in. again, here's a couple workouts, but as you come down here, you're going to see you can view all workouts, or you can kind of browse by a certain specificity. So let's say we want to work on teamwork. Say we have a couple friends over, we want to do exercises with our friends. Well, it's going to bring us up exercises that are all teamwork related here. And it's all going to show us an icon here showing teamwork. So we know this exercise is suitable for teamwork. But now let's go ahead and say maybe we're going to set up that we are in a seated position, and let's set that filter. And so that's going to remove exercises that it doesn't think, the program doesn't think we would want to do if we're in a seated position. So now we'll see this wheelchair icon. Now, of course, you can try all the exercises in the book, and you can really challenge yourself. And you see some of these exercises all have the seated icon here. Let's also go ahead and say that we have, let's go with the stick. So a wooden dowel. And so again, we're telling the program a little bit more about who we are, about what we have. And now here again, the program is going to provide us with exercises that have the wheelchair icon. So we know these are seated approved, and then exercises that use a wooden dowel. You can see down here, wooden dowel is one of those items. Now, if I click on this exercise here, it's going to bring up some images with a description. So we can kind of get a visual reference maybe, or an audio reference on the exercise. There's also a video here that shows the exercise being performed. We get to see about the focus that we're working on, all the different attributes, all the ways we're making our body stronger. We also get a lot of instructions. We get simple instructions. We have instructions for team leaders and instructions for trainers to really get this program and get these exercises set up to not only be the best they can be, but to be safe. The other thing here, when we log our workout, we can increase the difficulty or decrease the difficulty depending on what we need to do to find success, where we need to make our adjustments. So if this exercise was maybe a little too easy, maybe we can do a hit off of a bounce or hit the ball in the air off of the ground, adding some difficulty, very minor, variations, but again, adding some difficulty. Or maybe we can make this a little easier by hitting with some coach assist or hitting the ball out of a coach's hand being held up. So again, this gives us an idea of how we can adjust the exercise. Here we have our difficulty. You can kind of let us know, was that difficult? Maybe it was in the beginning, but after a few tries, you find this one was pretty easy. Maybe we like the exercise or have some notes that we want to keep track of in the future. And then we can also share this with our public. We can share with our friends, let them know, hey, we just did the ball stick exercise. Or we can share it with our trainer. Again, let our trainer know that, hey, we just completed this exercise and we really enjoyed it, or maybe it was kind of difficult. And that way your trainer can make some suggestions on maybe what level of difficulty we want to try next. So it's that easy. That's how you can get set up. You can get logged in. You can explore all the exercises, find different challenges, establish your baselines, and really try to find goals, try to find exercises that you can have success with. And once you stick to the program, you can really start to see improvement.